Natural disasters. Natural disasters. Natural disasters refer to extreme and catastrophic events caused by natural processes or forces, resulting in significant damage, destruction, and loss of life. These events occur without human intervention and can have severe impacts on the environment, infrastructure, and communities. Flood. A flood is a natural disaster that occurs when an area becomes inundated with an excessive amount of water, typically due to heavy rainfall, snowmelt, or the overflow of rivers, lakes, or coastal areas. Floods can be slow developing, lasting for days or even weeks, or they can be rapid and intense, known as flash floods. What to do? Move to higher ground if you are in a low-lying area or if floodwaters are rising. Head to higher elevation where you can stay safe. Have emergency supplies ready, including non-perishable food, water, flashlights, batteries, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio. Follow instructions and guidance provided by local authorities, including evacuation routes or shelter locations. Listen to local news and weather updates for information about the flood situation, evacuation orders, and safety advisories. Volcanic eruption. A volcanic eruption is a natural phenomenon in which molten rock, gas, and other materials are ejected from a volcano's vent or fissure onto the Earth's surface or into the atmosphere. Volcanic eruptions are a result of the buildup of pressure within the Earth's crust, often associated with the movement of tectonic plates. What to do? Listen to local news, authorities, and volcanic monitoring agencies for updates on the volcanic activity and any warnings or evacuation orders. Stay indoors, if possible, to avoid exposure to volcanic ash, gases, and other hazardous materials. Avoid rivers and low-lying areas that can be prone to lahars, volcanic mudflows, caused by the melting of volcanic ice and snow. Listen for and heed warnings of pyroclastic flows, fast-moving hot ash and debris clouds that can travel down the volcano's slopes. Earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden and violent shaking of the Earth's surface caused by the movement of tectonic plates beneath the Earth's crust. It is a natural phenomenon resulting from the release of accumulated stress along fault lines. Earthquakes can occur along plate boundaries, where tectonic plates interact, or within the interior of tectonic plates. What to do? Be prepared for aftershocks and continue to follow the drop, cover, and hold-on technique. If you are indoors, stay there. Avoid running outside during the shaking, as falling debris or broken glass may pose a risk. Stay informed about the latest updates and information from local authorities regarding the earthquake and potential aftershocks. Keep away from potential hazards, such as tall furniture, bookshelves, or cabinets that could topple over. Tornado. A tornado is a violent and rapidly rotating column of air that is in contact with the Earth's surface and a cumulonimbus cloud, thunderstorm cloud. Tornadoes are characterized by a funnel-shaped cloud extending downward from the thunderstorm, often accompanied by a visible condensation funnel or debris cloud. What to do? Move to a small, windowless, and sturdy interior room on the lowest level of your home, such as a basement or storm cellar. Regularly practice tornado drills with your family or classmates to ensure everyone knows what to do during a tornado. Listen to local weather updates and warnings through a battery-powered weather radio or smartphone app. Cover your head and neck with your arms or a sturdy object to protect against flying debris.